Hello! Today I'm going to attempt to make a Christmas wreath. I've never done one before. I'm just going to wing it. Let me show you the ingredients that I've gathered for the wreath itself. Alright, let's start with the most essential thing. The wreath hoop ring, I guess you'd call it. It's just that size. I've got some spruce, some variegated holly. I may get a bit more of that. And a couple of cones, rose hips, as you can see, and I'm going to pack this to start with a bit of conifer. One thing which I didn't mention was that if you're going to try this with me, you will need some floristry wire. Okay, I've cut some conifer. What I'm going to attempt to do is wrap this floristry wire around the wreath holder. I'm going to use this conifer as my base, I guess. Something like that. As you can see, this is the base layer complete. All I did was wrap the wire around the conifer like this, created that effect, and now we'll add a bit of spruce and a bit of variegated holly or whatever, just to tart it up now. Using a bit of spruce, variegated holly, rosehip berries, and a bit of whatever that is, ivy. I've kind of clumped it up like that. I'm going to wrap some wire around it and then connect it to the wreath like that. We'll see how it goes. We're at the halfway section now. This is what it looks like. I've used 4 sections of different types of cuttings, and I've just tied them to the base layer. Yeah, we'll just carry on. Well now, what do you think of that? Took me about half an hour, and to be honest, it was fairly easy. I'd definitely do this again. I've tied 2 pine cones on the bottom section here. As you can see, I've used a bit of variegated holly, these small pine cones, a bit of ivy, with spruce in the background there. That's not bad for my first effort. That's going to be the bottom, I think. That's the top. Yeah, if you've never made one of these yourself, give it a go. It wasn't as hard as what I thought it was going to be. Alright, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I'll certainly be giving that a go again next year. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button, share the video if you want to, subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.